My grandmother revealed to me some remedies to cure ingrown toes. In brief moments, a written explanation. Home treatment for ingrown toenails. When the skin around the nail appears red and inflamed, and it is annoying or painful to the touch, we may be suffering from an ingrown nail, and we may even have an infection. In this article we explain what they are, why they originate, and some natural remedies that will help you treat them at home. What are ingrown toenails? When we see that the skin on the edge of the nail becomes red, and that it even infects us, it is possible that we have a nail that has been embedded in the flesh that surrounds it. The most usual thing is that it happens on our big toe, but in reality it can happen on any finger. Next, we review why this happens. Because it happens? There is no single cause of ingrown toenails. The most common reasons are the following. 1. Inadequate shoes that tighten or do not fit well, especially if we do sports or activities that require us to move or stand often. 2. Nails that have not been trimmed correctly. 3. Physical issues of the foot, such as deformations or special forms of the fingers, which cause additional pressure on other toes. We must bear in mind that some people, for genetic reasons, are already born with bent toenails, too large or with a tendency to grow down. That's why there are people who often suffer this problem despite wearing the right shoes and carefully monitor the cut of the nails. When to go to the doctor? Although then we recommend a home and natural treatment, people suffering from diabetes, injuries to the feet, ankles or legs, or poor circulation in the feet should go first to the doctor, podiatrist or dermatologist. We should also go when we perceive that there is pus under the inflammation, since infections should be treated as soon as possible. Finally, if the nails are usually incarnated and we have not found the cause, a doctor will also help us solve this annoying problem. Natural treatment. This is a homemade, simple and natural method to treat ingrown toenails. We submerge the affected foot in hot water several times throughout the day, at least 3. We leave it for a couple of minutes and then dry the foot well. Gently massage the affected area, with the help of a little olive or almond oil. If we tend to infections, we can also add a drop of tea tree essential oil, as it has antibiotic properties. We will take a piece of cotton or dental floss, moisten it and try to place it with patience under the nail. When we notice that the area has softened, after carrying out this process several times, we will repeat these steps as well and cut the nail carefully, with a totally clean and sharp nail clipper. We will cut the nail straight, leaving it square and without cutting it too much. The areas that are more incarnated will avoid them, so that they will slowly improve. Thyme water. The previous technique can still be more effective if instead of using only water we use thyme infusion. Thyme is a medicinal plant with multiple benefits. Among them, it helps us to fight inflammations, infections and to calm pain, which is why it is an ideal remedy to treat ingrown toenails. Prepare an infusion with a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of thyme. We will boil for 5 minutes and let it rest another 5. We will use this infusion as we have highlighted in the previous point. Remedy of lemon and salt. If the previous technique has not worked, we can also try an ancient remedy that is very effective and economical, since we will only need half a lemon and little salt. We will make a hole in the center of our half lemon, we will pour a little sea salt and introduce the affected finger. We will leave it like this for 20 minutes, and we will do it daily until the finger is healed. Both lemon and salt also act as disinfectants and desinflammers. These remedies are certainly good to cure ingrown toes, but I recommend that you know a product to cure ingrown toes that has revolutionized the hundreds of women who have tried it. It's one of my beauty secrets. Click on the video description link and know it. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.